Hello everyone, my name is Nishika XII and I currently study in class 12th in Navodaya Convent Senior Secondary School. Today I am going to tell you about the Cuban Missile Crisis, so let's get started. But before that, I would like to express my heartfelt gratitude to my political science teacher, Mr. Shiv for providing me with this rare opportunity. Cuba, a very beautiful island whose capital is Havana, which is completely surrounded by water. It is near America. Let's move inside Cuba and know more about it. Cuba, Cuba's beach, Cuba's culture, Cuba's tradition, Cuba's people, Cuba's street. Everything is unique in itself. But it's 2020's Cuba. Let's talk about Cuba in 1916. Yes, I'm talking about Cuban Missile Crisis. In 1961, Cuba's president was Fidel Castro. USSR president was Nikita Khrushchev and USA's president was John F. Kennedy. In 1961, Cuba's near a very large country, yes, I'm talking about USA, was enemy of Cuba. But so far away, USSR was ally of Cuba because it received both diplomatic and financial aid from USSR. USA leaders were worried that USA would invade communist-ruled Cuba and overthrow the president of small nation from its own island. So, in 1962, the USSR president decided to place nuclear missiles in Cuba. For the first time, under fire from close range and nearly double the number of cities in America mainland which could be threatened by USSR. After 3 weeks, when the Soviet Union had placed the nuclear weapon in Cuba, the America became aware of it. The USA President John F. Kennedy and his advisory were reluctant to do anything that might lead to full-scale nuclear war between the two countries. But they were determined to get Khrushchev to remove the missile and nuclear weapon from the Cuba. He ordered American warships to intercept any Soviet ships heading to Cuba as a way of warning the USSR of his seriousness. A clash seemed to imminent in what came to be known as Cuban Missile Crisis. The prospect of this clash made the whole world nervous, for it would have been no ordinary way. This time, everyone was worried that it might lead to World War III. Eventually, to the world's great relief, both the sides decided to avoid war. The Soviet ships slowed down and turned back. These 13 days, Cuban Missile Crisis was a high point of what came to be known as Cold War. Thank you for watching this video. Hope you have enjoyed it.